Hey, good evening, everybody. Let's see how a couple of engineers might work together on a design. I've got a new product here. I'm not sure about the battery power yet, so I just go ahead and send this over to OpenBOM, and I've got a bill of material for my new design. I consult with my colleague, and she comes along and says, look, Steve, we're going to run a couple 1004 batteries in this design. So she throws these into the BOM, just part number, quantity, throws it into the BOM. I come over to my CAD design. I'm like, I gotcha. I model up a couple of those batteries. I check the fit. All looks good. Visit the battery design. Just send this item over to OpenBOM. Do a save item. Send it to OpenBOM. And when I return back to the bill of materials, we will see that two of those batteries are in the BOM. All the derivative files, images, everything else is in there. It's just like a full citizen. So there's an example of build a BOM, make some changes to the bill of material, add a few items, go back, CAD them up, send them over. It's full citizen of the BOM. So give it a try.